si Mr. Jainer. Our official referees, Mr. V3 and Mr. Tony. Again, this is Tineke 2024. Today is Slave versus Oman. Score 28-18. First 32-18, Slave. Katulugan na ka.
Basket is good. Jamal.
41-32, Slave.
Basket no good. I'll get the keeper with the lead. Pass it out too far. He did not see who the number 2. that was not the viewers that thousands. Three-pointers, no good. Rebound red. Red got it. White ball in front one. Inside. Nice distribution. Really? Requesting sub red, Pablo with a shot. Requesting sub, Toro. Nice. One ball, fish. Out of bounds. Sub. Uruguay, number 24. Fladu. Give it up for Fladu. Let me see Fladu. Fladu with the shot. Oh, big man. Yeah, let's go, big man. Let's go, big man. Two with the ball. One ball to Walker. Fladu with the deep. Time out, Ray. Requesting time out, Ray. You ain't ready, Ray. NBC red and white. Lisa Benigari.
3 minutes 51:32. And this is Itiniki 2024. Official referees Mr. Tony and Mr. V3. MC today, Mr. Trainer. And shout out to our scorer at the same shot keeper. Also to our coordinator. Whoops. And also to coordinator, Mr. Ray Matissima. Shout out also to our main sponsor, One Way.
Red for the shot. Basket good. 34-51. 3 minutes. And then the keeper fights for it. Doesn't give up. White skill. Red take it back. Red shoot, no. Red got it back. He goes up. Basket over. Red still got it. They ain't giving up. And one.
51:36, 2 minutes.
Top of the line. Oh, big man. Oh, big man.
51:36, 1 minute and 54 seconds for this last half.
Basket is good. And then the keeper with the ball. Pass. No basket. Fladu for the ball. Fladu tries. He goes all the way. No pass it out, but he missed. Miscommunication right there. Walker with the drive. Brings it down. He goes. He shoots for the three. Basket no good. White ball. White the ball. Red take it back. Walker goes up. No go. White again. Back to the range.
Congrats to both teams. And of course, winner for today, this time, Sleep. Shout out.
Let's go.